Sepsis is the body's toxic response to infection. Now, fortunately, almost everybody here in this room understands that or has been impacted by sepsis in some way. Sepsis affects 1.6 million Americans every year, killing over 250,000 of those Americans every year, which is more than breast cancer, prostate cancer, and lung cancer combined.
I'm very passionate about this gala tonight because I survived sepsis.
This night is extremely exciting for me because I've been at this for 10 years now. And I can tell you when I started this, just the advocacy part, if you put sepsis in an email, it got thrown out as a misspelled word. But here we are tonight on World Sepsis Day during Sepsis Awareness Month, honoring Sepsis Heroes.
I worked in the ICU and treated a lot of patients with sepsis and saw the negative impact that it had on families and patients' lives. So this event is meant to raise awareness about sepsis and hopefully prevent it.
We're here to celebrate those who have said enough. Those who are committed to ending the needless deaths that are due to sepsis.
This event means a lot to me. My sister passed away a little over 10 years ago from sepsis. She went in for a simple outpatient surgery, and 5 days later, she was gone.
I'm here to accept this award on behalf of my sister, Erin. She is the true hero. I hope that I can display half of the courage and strength in my lifetime that she showed in her last 5 days. So, Erin, this award is for you.
Out Sepsis was a volleyball tournament that started in the summer of 2009. We had 7 teams. That's grown now with the 2012 edition to 24 teams and 300 participants. People coming from Louisville to Chicago, coming up to Columbus to hang out with us, and we've raised over $60,000 as a result of that.
To be a sepsis hero really is just to raise awareness. A lot of people, providers, don't know a lot about sepsis, and so I think raising awareness and trying to save lives is the most important thing.
When we first sat down and wanted to start something, we really just thought if we could raise a couple $1,000s, raise a little bit of awareness, help out the Sepsis Alliance, we thought that would be successful. We never imagined it to be anything like this. So we're just really excited that it's been so successful.
A lot of people haven't heard about sepsis, and it's something that can affect anyone. It's actually a disease process that doesn't discriminate. And so one thing I'd love for people to take away from this event is just hearing the word sepsis and knowing that it can affect anybody who has an infection, anybody who's in the hospital, young, old, sick or well, and to just be aware that it's out there and to ask about it.
Everybody who cares about this, who helps in improving awareness, who is involved in any way, you're all heroes. Because this has to be a collective effort by all of us.
I vow to you right now that as a provider I will continue to raise awareness and hopefully continue to spike out sepsis. And I hope to see most of you in Columbus next year for our Spike Out Sepsis 2013.
This event is so important to me because I am a sepsis survivor. It encourages me to continue being an advocate for sepsis survivors and their families, and to encourage them to continue living on with their lives after surviving sepsis. I'm just so honored and privileged to receive this award, and I hope that I can be an inspiration for sepsis survivors and their families, and that there is life after sepsis.
I am so grateful to every person in this room for the work that you're doing. IHI is a small little organization with a huge mission to improve health and healthcare worldwide. but there's no way I can do it by myself. I can only do it as a global community, and I thank you all for the work you're doing.
If there's one thing that everybody could do today for World Sepsis Day, just tell one person what sepsis is. You don't know, today could be the day that you save somebody's life. So thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.